Hey everyone, hope you are all doing well today. In this video, I'm going to talk about Amazon FBA or Fulfillment by Amazon and why it's a great business model to consider. FBA is a program that allows sellers to use Amazon's extensive fulfillment network to store, package, and ship their products. This means that as a seller, you don't have to worry about the logistics of shipping and can instead focus on sourcing products, marketing, and growing your business. So, let's dive into the 5 reasons why anyone would want to start an Amazon FBA business. Number 1. Access to a massive customer base. One of the main benefits of selling through Amazon FBA is that you gain access to Amazon's huge customer base. With over 300 million active users, you'll have the opportunity to reach a vast audience that you may not be able to access on your own. This can help increase your sales and revenue potential significantly. Number 2. Reduce logistical burden. As an FBA seller, Amazon takes care of the storage, packaging, and shipping of your products. This means that you don't have to worry about the logistical challenges of running an e-commerce business, such as storing inventory, packing orders, and shipping products to customers. This frees up your time and resources to focus on other areas of your business. Number 3. Increased visibility. Amazon gives FBA products priority in search results and offers other benefits like Prime eligibility. This can help increase the visibility of your products and make them more attractive to potential buyers. As a result, FBA sellers often have an advantage over non-FBA sellers when it comes to sales and customer engagement. Number 4. Scalability. Another great benefit of Amazon FBA is that it's highly scalable. You can start with just a few products and gradually increase your inventory as your business expands. You can also easily test new products and adjust your strategy based on market demand. This flexibility allows you to grow your business at your own pace and adapt to changing market conditions. Finally, number 5. Passive income potential. Once your FBA products are set up and selling well on Amazon, your business can become relatively passive. This means that you can continue to earn income from your FBA business even if you're not actively working on it. As a result, FBA can be a great way to generate passive income streams and build wealth over time. In summary, Amazon FBA is an excellent business model for anyone looking to start an e-commerce business or generate passive income streams. With access to a massive customer base, reduced logistical burden, increased visibility, scalability, and passive income potential, FBA offers many benefits that can help you build a successful online business. So, if you're looking for a way to start a profitable business online, Amazon FBA is definitely worth considering. If you want more information on how you can get started with having your own Amazon FBA business, please go to the description of this video and register for our free training 5 steps plan to run a 7-figure business from home. You don't want to miss this free training as the webinar training will be taken down soon. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed this, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.